Do you want a six-pack? Then this video is for you. Are you tired of doing crunches that give zero results? Today, I'll reveal the truth that most trainers won't tell you. Stop pulling your neck. You are training for an injury, not abs. If there's a gap under your back, your core isn't working at all. Stop using your legs. Your abs should do the heavy lifting. Stop bouncing. Momentum is the enemy of muscle growth. First step, press your lower back firmly into the floor. Imagine a grape under your spine. Crush it with your back. Touch your temples lightly. Keep your elbows wide and relaxed. Don't just lift your head. Fold your ribs toward your hips. You can also cross your arms over your chest for better focus. Go slow. Feel your muscles shaking. That's the sign of growth. Hold it at the top. Squeeze your abs as hard as you can. Exhale all the air out. Your abs contract better with empty lungs. Focus your mind on every muscle fiber in your belly. Feel an internal corset tightening around your entire waist. Imagine an anchor pulling your spine deep into the ground. Now take 3 full seconds to lower yourself back down. Your core is the foundation of your body. Build it strong. Remember, 5 perfect reps are better than 100 messy ones. When your form is right, you will feel a deep, intense burn. Proper breathing is the secret power behind every rep. Now look at me. Are you ready for the 10-rep challenge? Visualize your muscle fibers working together perfectly. Keep your neck neutral and look diagonally at the ceiling. Try keeping your hands floating to remove all neck pressure. Hard work pays off when your technique is flawless. Great job. Keep practicing and don't give up.